as I said, as you can see, like I said, this is one of the, when I say pretty chart, is that something that's clear. It gives us immediate information. The 80 right here, this light blue line, which is the 80-40 right there, this is one of our structure points, the 80-40, and you can see when I say a structure, you see the capitulation that came in from below it. Look how big this capitulation. It took us all the way down from 80-40 all the way down to, oh come on, 84, took us all the way down to 55. So once it broke the 80-40, it gave us 2,500 pips. This is how important it is. Nasser, I don't understand your question. Go to another currency and come back active. I don't know what you mean. Oh, okay, got you. Alright, so with this, our structure point is the 80-40, and we close the week at 80-32, and it is a structure point. Okay, what does this mean? It's another gimme trade. It's another easy trade. We're going to buy above. We're just 8 pips away from our buy signal. Our buy signal is 8 pips away. 8040, that's my buy signal, and believe it or not, it is also the structure long. Alright, and our sell signal, let's see if we have a sell signal. Oh, sure we have, of course. We need to be cautious about our sell signal. This is the closest sell signal we have, which is the 79.43. We have closed the week at 80.32. We are in a major uptrend. We have intervention, so I have to be very cautious with my. Yes, Mary, I'm recording. I have to be very cautious with my sell entry. I want to make sure that I have good solid short entries so I don't get whipsawed. So any move, as long as it's above the 79.43, I'm not looking to short it. So my short is 79.43, and it is also a structure point, so it is also a structure short. And with that, I will try now to identify my stops. So if I'm going to go short below the 79.43 or the 79, this area, let's make it 57 so that you don't get confused. $79.57. Okay, this is my short point, the 79.57, which it has to be below this momentum point. So anywhere above here is not a sell signal for us. It is actually a buying opportunity that we will be look to be buying the Aussie yen. Only if it gets below the 79.57 that I'm going to short the Aussie yen. Anywhere above here is a buying opportunity, and if it gets above the momentum high, which is the 81, then that is another buying opportunity. So if it goes below 79.57, I'm going to place my stop immediately above the 79.57. So my stop is for the short 79. Again, when I put it specific like this, it means give it an extra space of 10-15 pips above it. But I have to put it specific because of the people that are with us in the course, and they have the software and they know how we trade, so I have to put it specific for them so that they can see it. Okay, just give it, for you, for example, as an example, do it as 80-25. You just give it like 20 pips or so. Okay, but I have to do it specific for the guys with us in the room. Alright, so this is the Aussie yen. We're going to go long above 80.40, and if we go long above, and the structure long is also 80.40, and if I buy above 80.40, my stop is 76.64. I'm giving it 40-50 pips for it to move. And then if I go short, I'm going to go short below 79.57, and my structure short is 79.43. They're pretty close to each other. And if I go short, I'm placing my stop immediately above the structural point. Okay, that is the Aussie yen.